Hey, it's Heather Quisel. I help entrepreneurs, coaches, leaders, business owners just like you to identify their mission, eliminate obstacles, and monetize their message. And we are in such an interesting time where the new normal is not normal at all. And in the midst of the COVID-19 and shelter in place and all the change that is happening around us, I'm very aware of my business owners and those of you that are charged with making income around your genius. And I want to provide for you a way to learn how to turn your genius, your expertise, your skill sets into a business that you can operate from home around your family, and start making money like right now, like what I call right now money, without worrying about having to set up a big website, without having to set up complicated sales funnels, and without a ton of time. And this really comes from a series of conversations that I've had in the last week, but especially yesterday with a number of my clients, one of which is like many of you. She popped up on the Zoom video and I said, "Hey, how's everything going at your house?" And boom, burst into tears. And how many of you can relate to that? No money coming in, up to your head and stress. What's the next move? Everything I've ever worked for is now crumbling before my eyes because I simply can't get out and work the way I'm used to working. And being in business from home for a decade now, and being a coach and a mentor to people like you, I've got a very good sense of this marketplace, guys, which is a massive opportunity should you choose to show up in it, and just how to pivot. And I think this is about being flexible and pivoting, and looking for new ways to work. So this is going to be a strategy. I'm going to give you a strategy to make right now money. For those of you who have an expertise and a service that can absolutely be delivered online, Okay. And to give you one example, I ran into one of my neighbors last week who runs an adorable boutique in Meridian, Idaho. And for those of you who don't know Meridian, Idaho, it's not clothing boutique kind of vibe around here, but this woman, Courtney, has a thriving clothing boutique here in Meridian, Idaho. And it's thriving because Courtney is adorable. When you come in, she's excited to see you. She knows all about you. And somehow within 5 minutes, she's got you undressed in a dressing room and she's having you try on this with that and that with this and outfits you never would have tried. And boom, there goes $300 in 30 minutes. Okay. She just has this way with people. And so as she was telling me that she too, like this baby of hers, she's having to close the door, is being, sent home, can't work from her store anymore. I'm like, well, that doesn't change anything for you. And in fact, I think this is actually going to be a bigger opportunity for you. And she sat there like dumbfounded, and I said, girl, take a live video camera into that store every night and start doing what you do. Show people the new items that came in, put outfits together, talk about what's in. And I said, I guarantee those things are going to fly off your shelves virtually and expand your presence and, your brand and your adorableness in the process. So this is the kind of pivot I really want you guys to be thinking about. Okay. So what I'm proposing to those of you that have a service, a business that can be delivered virtually is I'm going to encourage you, the step one. This is what makes it so easy. No equipment, no sales funnels needed. I'm going to teach you how to do a sales process right now that you can literally do today and start selling. Okay. So it's going to start with a live video. Okay. A live video right here on Facebook. This is going to give you the power you need. Okay. Think about what is it that you're selling? Are you selling an hour of your time? Are you selling a group package? Think about what you can be selling. And this is anything. So one of my clients is a physical therapist. She has a practice in which she sees patients. She's also an energy medicine practitioner. who can virtually deliver energy sessions. So we talked about her hourly rate, what she can be selling, what the benefits of having an energy medicine hour with her, and what people are looking for, what they're struggling with, what those symptoms are of people that would need that, right? So be thinking about what it is that you can sell and how you want to sell it. And you're going to do a live video. You're going to teach people something. Maybe you're teaching people how to make gluten-free bread because you've got that skill set right now. Maybe you're teaching people how to do a quick workout using just, cans from the pantry. Maybe you're teaching people how to keep their mindset strong. I don't know what it is that your genius is, but I want you to do a live video daily, or pseudo daily. It doesn't matter. But from that live video, next, you're going to make a very strong call to action at the end. This is where you're going to make your offer. What is it that you have for people? Hey, if you loved this quick tip on how to stay mentally strong in this, I am offering 30-minute sessions to business owners, coaches, leaders, influencers who are struggling to figure out how to pivot and want some guidance. I'm going to give you a 30-minute coaching session. So if this is something that you want, I want you to message me in Messenger today and we'll start that conversation. Okay. So now we just went from a video in which we're providing value, in which you're providing some sort of education teaching. You're going to give that very strong call to action, and you're going to tell them to message you. Guys, this is where I want you to really think like a salesperson. Anybody who messages you, anybody who sends, a little note into Messenger, this is somebody who wants to buy. You have to assume they want to buy because they have just taken that step to reach out to you. Are you following me? This is so simple. Yes. And for so many of you, this is a reality. In this message, now I want you're going to make that offer. You're going to tell them, hey, you might even ask them a couple questions like, what is it you need? How can I help? That's a great question. How can I help? And then make your recommendation. And what I mean by that is you're the expert. You've just said what is it you're needing? What's your struggle? How can I help? Well, let me make a recommendation for you because based on what I know and based on the work that I do, I think you would be perfect for a 30-minute session, a 60-minute session. Maybe you're right for one of my programs. And this is what it looks like. Make that recommendation. And you can say, and if this feels right to you, I'll go ahead and send you an invoice and we can get you on the books as early as tomorrow. You see how we're leading them right to, I can send you an invoice. We can get you right on my calendar as soon as tomorrow. So guys, this is a simple strategy. You can do this today. For some of you, it's going to be tricky. I don't know what it is. I don't know how to pivot. I don't know how to change the model and the way that I've made money in my business for so many years. Maybe you even aren't even sure if you have expertise or knowledge that people would pay for. I'm telling you, yes, they will. But if you need additional help and this is what I do, but I don't know how to turn that into something that I can sell, message me in this thread, put a little comment in this thread. Let's see if I can help you guys out. But this is a right now strategy. You implement this today. Teach something on a Facebook Live, on a simple video using your phone. Strong call to action, calling people to message you if they want more of your time. In that message box, go ahead and ask them some questions and make that recommendation and then tell them. If you're ready for that next step, I'll send you an invoice and we can have you on my calendar as soon as tomorrow morning. Guys, when people hit your messenger box, they want to buy and they want right now help. So assume that urgency is where they're at. Okay. Please, if I can help you any more, this is really personal to me. Being able to make your own money, create your own economic stimulus package is important. It will keep you afloat. It will keep you balanced. It will keep you strong. It will keep the stress away for you and those around you. So let me be a part of this equation. And if you can see this right now money strategy work for you, I want to hear from you. I want to hear how excited you are. And when you do that first video, share that with me. Let me know how it goes. Much luck to you. Much love. Mwah! And I'll see y'all soon.